Setting up Calendly for your social media marketing agency can streamline client consultations, follow-ups, and project meetings. Here's a quick guide. Create a Calendly account. Start by signing up at calendly.com. After verifying your email, log in to access your dashboard. Set up event types. In the dashboard, go to event types to create different booking options. For an SMMA, you might create event types like initial consultation, strategy session, or monthly review meeting. Customize each event's duration, availability, and any preparation time needed between appointments. Customize availability. Set your availability based on your agency's working hours. Go to availability settings to designate specific time blocks, ensuring clients can only book during those hours. Add intake questions. For each event type, use the invitee questions feature to gather client details like business name, social media goals, and budget before the meeting. Integrate with calendar and video tools. Connect Calendly to Google Calendar, Outlook, or Zoom for automated scheduling and meeting links. This syncs all appointments and ensures clients receive links and reminders. Share your link. Use your unique Calendly link in emails, website, or social media to make booking easy.